I'm sure you've heard the news, computers are more essential than ever. But what separates a good setup from a great one? Let's break down everything you need to know, fast. First things first, hardware. Your CPU, RAM, and storage are the heart of your machine. For most professionals, aim for at least an Intel i5 or Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a solid-state drive. Trust me, you'll notice the speed. Next up, software. Keep your operating system updated and don't skimp on antivirus. Invest in quality productivity apps like Microsoft 365, Slack, or Notion to streamline your workflow. Now let's talk connectivity. A strong, reliable Wi-Fi connection is non-negotiable. If possible, hardwire with Ethernet for zero lag. Peripherals, don't underestimate them. A mechanical keyboard and a high-resolution monitor can seriously boost your efficiency and comfort. And yes, that ergonomic chair is worth it. Security matters. Set up two-factor authentication everywhere you can. Back up your files, preferably using both cloud storage and an external drive. And the golden rule: maintenance. Regularly clear out unwanted files, update your drivers, and give your machine a physical dust-off every few months. There you have it. With these basics, you'll not only keep your computer running smoothly, but work smarter, faster, and more securely. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Hit that like and subscribe for more pro tips.